Creating and updating a table of contents in Microsoft Word. The table of contents, or TOC, lists the information contained in the document. It is typically located at the beginning of the document, although some documents contain chapter-specific TOCs. This procedure demonstrates how to insert and update a TOC and is aimed at users who are already familiar with applying styles, page breaks, and section breaks in Word. Prior to inserting a TOC, ensure your document has been set up properly. The document body contains at least one heading, and heading styles of the appropriate level, 1, 2, or 3, have been applied. The TOC can be inserted anytime. If your document has been outlined in advance and headings can be configured immediately, the TOC can be added at the beginning of your drafting process. Otherwise, draft the document and then insert the TOC prior to doing the document layout. This allows you to configure page breaks, page numbers, headers, and footers for the TOC, as well as the rest of the document. To insert the table of contents, place your cursor in the location you want the TOC to be added. Select References, Table of Contents, Automatic Table 1. The table of contents has now been inserted into your document. If a page or section break is required after the TOC, insert it now. The TOC does not automatically update itself and must be manually updated. Update the TOC after changing headings, after rearranging portions of text, after configuring document layout, including page or section breaks, before sending the document out for review, and before printing, posting, or otherwise finalizing the document. In this case, I've inserted a section break, which changes the page numbers, and added new headings, so the existing TOC is incomplete. Although there is a button to update the table of contents located on the table itself, many documents which contain TOCs also contain other dynamic information, such as a list of tables or figures, document fields, citations, or references. Best practice is to update all fields at once. To update the table of contents, select all text in the document with Ctrl-A. Press F9 to update all fields in the document. Choose Update Entire Table, and then OK. The table of contents has now been updated. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.